What's up, my people? Today is the special day that you get to meet my amazing hairstylist and one of my best friends in the whole world, Mr. Ray Christopher.
That's me. Hi, everyone.
Today, he is going to teach us how to do what used to be a beach wave, but oh no, we are creating the new spring roll.
Spring roll wave.
I'm actually normally afraid of using hot tools, but today he's gonna teach me how to do it. He's gonna direct me.
It's gonna be hands-free for me, so it's gonna be interesting to see you do it. I've never seen her do her hair, but...
Other than buns.
Right,
I
she's
can do
really
buns,
good at that though.
ponytails,
like,
slick backs. Yeah, he's just, I know him halfway through this, he's gonna be like, just come over here, I got this,
let me
girl.
do it, because...
Just let me do it. The point is that not everybody has an amazing Ray Christopher in their life,
right.
So we're gonna show the people that they too can do this.
The independent women.
Si se puede.
Si se puede.
So what are we about to do to this chocolate hair? What are the tools that I need?
Okay.
Ray and tools is a whole other comedy.
Yes,
moment.
my kit is so minimal. I show
Ray
up.
doesn't have a kit.
You're right.
Ray shows up to do people's hair. There's other people that show up and they come with a whole freaking suitcase when they come to do your hair.
I usually have a little designer bag, you know, so like a Gucci bag or Vivienne Westwood, something like that.
This is Ray's kit. You will look phenomenal and they'll say, Ray, what did you use? And he'll be like, this is a rat tail comb.
And so you can part with this as well as comb, you know.
Yeah, the end helps you part.
Yes.
And we've got some clips here.
Clips
to make
because
this
she's gonna
easier
need to
for
hold
me.
up her hair because she only has 2 hands.
Now, we're creating waves, so some people may be like, why are you using a flat iron and not either a waver or a curling iron, which I've seen a lot of people do it with.
The reason why is because this creates more of a not uniform wave. Instead of a curl, instead of a wave, it's like a band.
So this
texture
is a curl. This is a wave. He's doing this, 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 this. And it looks like this. Like if I was gonna imitate him, I'd just be like.
Yes, yes, it's a flick of the wrist, confidence.
Now the question is, can I do this damn thing to myself?
Who knows?
All right, so where do I start?
Okay, so in order to start this hairstyle, you have to get control of your hair. So I say part it. Okay, so that top
like
piece,
that
right?
much?
Right. So the top piece, you want to put it. Yes. She pays attention.
I just know sometimes. Okay, so I'm just gonna twist that up
Yep,
and clip it up here.
Yep.
Okay.
Now this one is for a night out or something like that.
Ooh,
so
my hair.
we already
Look
have
how
half
ratchet my hair is on the bottom. It's wavy in there.
We already have half up, half down, so that's gonna help create your style. Now that you have control of the piece, you want to grab your flat iron with your.
So worried. I have concernment.
Grab your flat iron.
That means I have discernment that this is gonna go bad, and I'm concerned about it. Okay, now what happens?
Concernment. Oh my God! I just touched your hair.
Don't touch it. Sit on your hands.
So you want to start at the root, and just like you did the comb, you want to do
like this.
Yeah. You're going to sandwich the hair with the flat iron.
At the top.
At the top. You want to go opposite. Each time you do it is opposite.
So I'm gonna go clamp.
Mm-hmm.
Release.
Release.
In.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
In.
Okay.
In.
Yeah.
That was terrible. That was terrible.
Jesus. Okay.
This is like remedial class for flat iron life.
Okay, where you stopped at?
Yeah.
Go the opposite direction now.
So like here, down, release.
But you missed the turn.
Oh, sorry. Here, down. Then I'm gonna release. Then I'm gonna go.
Actually, okay.
Okay, we got something.
Yeah. Leave that. Because this hairstyle is so natural looking.
Loose.
It's okay to not be in sync.
Yeah.
Okay.
All the pieces don't have to be extra weight.
It's gonna come together.
Now I'm going to same thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Like this. I could have gone higher. Oh, Ray, that's something.
Yeah, got your ear.
Okay.
You did a little bit. Turn.
Okay. Turn this way.
Okay, now turn the other way. Close it.
Right now, close.
And turn up. Now this time. Okay, yeah. Now turn down. Oh, look at you. All right. Okay. It's okay. Don't be discouraged. This is the beauty of this hairstyle. It does not have to be perfect. Now, instead of clipping it in the front this time, clip it back here because you're gonna mess up your front part. So clip it
back
right there. Yep.
Here.
Look at you.
Okay.
Follow direction. This time, you want to start turning up this time because you notice you started turning it down the first time.
Oh, go opposite.
Go
okay, hold
opposite.
on.
Don't leave it too long. You don't want to scorch the hair.
Up.
Now let it go, let it go, let it go. You're not scorching the hair. Okay.
Ray always brings health first. Like the health of our hair is the number one thing, and that's how we've gotten my hair to grow back, grow strong, grow long. And he also tells me not to highlight my hair, and instead we just use clip-ins that are colored with highlights, and my actual natural hair stays healthy because we're not putting ammonia or bleach on it.
Because your hair will naturally lighten on the ends.
Yeah.
In the sun.
Okay, so pretty much, if this is a strand of your hair,
yes,
you want to separate into two pieces. So one you go up, you release. One you go down.
Let it go. You held it too long. Take it in the
Did it
middle.
just get smoky?
It did a little bit.
You can't have everything, okay, people?
Can't be cute.
You can't.
Do your hair.
No, you can't beat this face and know how to do your hair. Sometimes, you know.
That is very true. I have some clients that are
they can do
hair
their
girls,
own hair,
and
but they
some
can't do
girls
their
that are makeup
makeup
girls.
Yeah.
Then I have those who are just fashion girls who can't do either. They look crazy, but
they
their
can
outfit
dress.
is amazing. Do I have any that are tragic
Yes,
at all?
you do.
Oh no! I have had someone who is tragic at all three. Love her still. She's an amazing person.
Ray likes what we call pretty hair.
Pretty hair. I do.
On me.
I do. It's pretty.
Why is it you like pretty hair on me?
Because you're pretty. I think that when you're already pretty, you should just be pretty. She's pretty.
I like edgy hair sometimes.
She wants to be
I
this
want, like, badass
6'5", a model with cheekbones. Like, Adrienne, you are pretty. Just be pretty.
No. I want to be Oh, I don't know what I did to this one. What's happening down there?
Again, you held it too long. Adrienne's not good at this.
Oh God, you're just gonna do it?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it now.
So, actually, it's still very informative. Because, like, I'm showing you how not to do it, and Ray's about to show you how to do it. That looks way different than what I had going on.
Okay.
Like that. Do it slow, Ray, so they can see. Okay? And then,
right.
Then you find
So
the other
take
piece,
other
and you
end,
go
and
the
go
other
right
way.
down. Boom.
And you leave the end straight.
Leave the end straight. Now you
That was a perfect one.
You see how together it makes. See?
Ooh.
Look how pretty it is.
Ooh!
And she
Ooh,
did
Ray.
her thing down here too, see?
This is all me. I did this right here.
You did do that. You don't only know how to
Killing
hold
this.
shows. You can do hair and makeup.
I was gifted.
You was gifted. I like it.
Okay, now for the other side of my head.
The other side, so you wanna curl once. Thinner sections are better than thick. If you do more hair, you're more prone to have creases in your hair, and that's not what you want. You wanna stay away from creases.
You don't want like a bend, like it got ironed.
You want it to be silky.
Seamless.
Seamless.
Just like, ooh.
Like your hair could have grown that way. Start at the top, curl in. Once you let that go, right where you stopped, take it and you curl it the opposite direction.
I'm just saying right now, I hope that you all are recognizing that you are getting a tutorial from one of the most amazing hairstylists in show business. Like, I'm letting you know right now, this man does everyone's hair, not just mine. He does Zendaya's hair. He does Normani's hair. He just did the cover for Billboard magazine.
Niecy Nash.
Niecy Nash. Oh my God.
Who else do I do? I don't know. I do all your friends.
But you should follow him on Instagram at hair4kicks, like sneakers. Because why did you name your Instagram that?
Originally, when I started doing hair,
He just used to do hair
I did hair literally for shoes.
so that he could buy sneakers. Because Ray is obsessed with shoes and sneakers and
Yes.
boots, and
It's terrible.
his collection is insane.
Me and Israel actually are both shoe people, so we talk about it all the time.
And they have the same shoe size.
What?
So if he has a pair of shoes that he doesn't love, he gives them to Iz. They end up changing shoes, and I freaking love that.
Yeah.
There's nothing better than when your man and your best friends get along.
Very true.
And I love that.
Turn around for the people.
How does it look? Yo, how do you do this? How, Ray? How?
Now she looks like she just, I just tossed my hair up today and
It looks effortless.
effortless.
The one thing Ray has taught me about hair, especially right now in the trends that are going on, it's all about effortlessly chic hair. You never want to look like you just left the salon and someone professionally did your hair. It should always look soft and effortless. We love baby hairs. We love soft wispy pieces, that tendrils just that fall down and look slightly disheveled, but on purpose. Oh my God, I love that word, slightly. Just slightly disheveled. So I love that. I love you, Ray.
Love you more.
And I'm so excited that you guys got to hang out with me and Ray. No one can compete with our SMIZE game, ever. No, me and Ray, do your SMIZE. Do your SMIZE. No, for real though. Ready? Show them how you do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Look through the camera.
I love it. I love it. I love you. Comment below if you love the fact that you kind of got the hang of it watching Ray do the effortless wave. So if you did, let us know if you want to see more professional tips from the dope people that I work with that are in my glam squad, from hair to makeup and all that good stuff. I want to know if you guys want to see more of that. And then
don't forget to subscribe.
Love you guys.